Hi everyone, my name is Alex, back again with another episode of Your Wallet, Your Taxes, where I help specialize in saving you money on your taxes, and thus you can put that money back into your wallet to spend however you please. So in today's video, I actually wanted to talk about something that is very important, and that is February 12th, which is going to be the first day the IRS will start accepting tax returns for this 2020-2021 tax season. So you will be filing your 2020 taxes in the year 2021, and it will kick off this Friday, which is February 12th. It's an important day because guess what? The IRS pushed back the initial tax season until this date so that they could prepare and get ready. So if you have your taxes ready to submit, the IRS will start accepting tax returns on February 12th. And another important thing to mention because of this date is most people's refunds will be pushed back even further than you're normally expecting. So if you submit on the first day, usually it could take the IRS, they say up to 21 business days. I've seen clients tax returns process as fast as 14 business days. So that's at least generally 2 to 3 weeks. So your tax return, your refund might not come back until the end of February or that first week of March. So if you are ready to submit your taxes, I suggest go ahead and pushing them through on that first day. That way you can be in the first line of people that receives their refund. Now, the second thing that I wanted to mention, which is actually very important, is the stimulus. So everyone is talking about the third stimulus. We're still waiting to hear back and hear all the news about the income limits, things like that. But right now, let's assume that the third stimulus is based off of the same income limits. And those limits for the upcoming stimulus could be based off of the limits we've seen in the past. And those limits are eligible individuals with adjusted gross income up to $75,000 will automatically receive the full payment. And for married couples, eligible married couples filing a joint return with an adjusted gross income up to $150,000 will automatically receive the full payment. And then those dependents will receive, their portion as well. So the thing to keep in mind is a lot of people's income was cut in half, with 2020 being the pandemic. A lot of people lost their jobs, lost hours, things like that. So if that's the case, your income has gone down and before you did not qualify for the stimulus, I would go ahead and submit your taxes as soon as possible. The reason being is they will go off of your 2020 tax return and the income you earned either as a single filer, head of household, or you file with your spouse. They'll go off of that to determine your new stimulus amount that they're going to give you. Because if you didn't qualify before and you don't file until later, you could be missing out on money. Now, vice versa, if you made more in 2020, some people's income went up. If you made more, there could be a case where now you do not qualify for the third stimulus. Maybe there's a chance that you want to wait and see what those new income brackets are looking like before you submit your taxes. Because if you submit it early on February 12th and they announce that, based on your income level, you do not qualify, you might be disappointed and miss out on those stimulus payments. So things to keep in mind, guys, what we talked about is you can submit your taxes on the 12th of February, which is this Friday. Also, look at your adjusted gross income that you yourself made, your spouse made, whoever you're going to be filing with. See what you made together. Based off of the IRS, if you made up to $75,000 as a single filer, you will be able to get the full payment. As a married couple, if you make up to $150,000, you will be able to get the full payment. So if your income has exceeded those amounts in 2020, but you did not exceed in 2019, I recommend just waiting a little bit before submitting your taxes. And then also, if your income has got cut in half to what it used to be, you made less in 2020, I might go ahead and file those as soon as possible to make sure that I'm eligible now because my income has dropped. And then lastly, guys, the most important thing is right now the IRS is still stating that the end of tax season will be that April 15th deadline, give or take a couple days. So last year we did see the tax season get extended all the way up till July 15th. I wouldn't expect that to happen again. It could happen, I'm not sure, but do not procrastinate too long and just anticipating the IRS to push back the tax season even further. So guys, if you have questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Be sure to like and share this video. But otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.